Alright guys, this is an Instant Pot recipe. Just want to let you guys know I have chicken thighs here that are skinless and boneless. I've always wanted to get this, but it never goes on sale. It finally went on sale. And you have to remember, when it's skinless and boneless, this is a really good deal, because without the bones you can get tons of chicken thighs here and here, and this pack is super heavy. Okay, so we're going to do an Instant Pot recipe. I'm going to be putting mushrooms, chickpeas, stewed tomatoes, corn, and carrots into this. So it's going to cook really well. So I'm going to put this all into the Instant Pot. I'm going to season it with some oregano, garlic salt, celery salt, pepper, and then put all that in there. And then we're going to hit the poultry bun, and then it'll cook all of that together. I'm going to add a little bit of rice to it, just to give it a little bit of sort of like a thickness to it. Yeah, so stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I got the chicken thighs there. I have chickpeas, mushrooms, stewed tomatoes, corn. Let's go into here. I'm going to throw it all in here and put some carrots in there as well, guys. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this stew is all ready to go. As you can see, there's pepper, there's seasoning. I put celery salt, I put white pepper, I put oregano, fennel seeds, and chickpeas, and some stewed tomatoes. Mushrooms are all in there. The carrots are in there. So I'm just going to hit the poultry bun on my Instant Pot. As you can see, there is the poultry bun right there. So once that cooks up, I'm going to do a quick taste test once it's all done. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, it is all done. As you can see, the carrots are floated up. Ooh, it's got nice aroma. Let's do a quick taste test, give you guys a good idea. There you go. And if you want to get rid of the fat that's from the chicken or anything, what you want to do is just put it in the fridge, and then it'll congeal, and you just scoop the fat off. So here we go. That's some. That's really good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel. It's got the aroma of the tomatoes. It's got the aroma of all of it actually. So. And if you want to add more herbs, yes, it actually turns out really good.